All right, so boom, I'm back. I ain't been on YouTube in what, like, uh 4, 5 months since last year. And I just wanna hop on. I just got my laptop back. I haven't traded in, marked up in since what's this? April 1st. So the beginning of April. It's April 22nd right now. Let's see if I can still trade. You feel me? Let's see if I can still trade. So we're gonna mark up my favorite, of course, GA. I'm gonna mark this up. Um Euro AUD, I'm gonna mark this up. Euro GBP. That one's in no man's land, so it might not even be no point of marking this up for real. Cause I'm not trying to catch no buku little pimps, like, no. So let's get into this right here. GA. Let's get into it. Erase all this. Let's start on the monthly time frame, how I always do, and we're gonna run it down all the way to the 30-minute time frame. Start on the monthly, even the 3 months, because it's the beginning of a new quarter. So the opening right here didn't go above the previous high. It went above the open. Let's see where we are within the candlestick with the fibs. We're below the 38.2. I don't usually mark up on these higher time frames, but I just need that level so I can see how it looks on those lower time frames. And then this little resistance up here. Look, I'm just hopping right into it, bro. I ain't getting out no updates, nothing. I just wanted to get my feedback, back in the sand. All right, let's draw the monthly levels. Let me see. This wick completely took out these previous highs, like 1, 2, 3, almost 4. So I do think we're going to continue heading in this downtrend. This next low I would mark on is that it lines up with that 61.8 in these levels right here. So market breaks this, then it's going to this one. I'm just trading from range to range. If it breaks one high, it's going to the next one. If it breaks one low, it's going to another low. And then my point of interest, my key levels are my point of interest, supply and demand, or you would say supply and demand, the upside counter before the down move, or the downside counter before the up move. So let's go to the daily time frame. Before I do that, let me mark on my weekly lines, because these cycles matter. Like the quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, the high of the year, the low of the year. It's the same thing for the week. Week 1, week 2, week 3, or 4. Week 2 is the high of the week or the low of the week 80% of the time, and it's on Tuesday or Wednesday. So let's mark these down. Daily. Okay, since we have that daily on, boom, it touched this point of interest right here just now. So I do want to see what it did right here. So I'm gonna mark that up just so I can see on a lower time frame what that looked like. I'm gonna erase it. I already did it. It's no point. Right now, I just see no man's land. And then when I see no man's land, I'm waiting for price to breathe back above, breathe back below, and hit my point of interest. Wherever I draws it on it. Like, so I can already tell when it's right here, the upside counter before the down move, right? So higher time frame. Okay. So I'm gonna move that up right here. And I play around with my point of interest, and I'll develop this over the years that I've been on the charts of knowing, okay, should I put this point of interest right here? Should I only put it by the bodies, by the wicks, half, average? Like, so I guess you just develop that over time. You just develop your intuition over time. Okay. Let's go to the 40, 45. 30. Since we are in no man's land, I'm gonna wait until Tuesday London session to see if market will break Monday's lows, right? If we see Asia come on and then London sweep Asia and then breathe back above, then I know, okay, it's heading to this next point of entry that I have marked on, right? 45-minute. Let's bring out those Bollinger Bands. Lined right up. Let me see. Wait. I need to delete. Okay. This is the one I said I was going to mark up to see what it is doing. Okay. Let me check the daily. What I see for the daily, depending on how this closes, right? Depending on how this closes, I can see market running into this level right here. Whether it just be the buys when the market come down here in a buy, or a sell-off. But when the market gets here and go to the next weekly level. 45, 30. Now I need that 200. I love the 200 Bollinger Bands, bro. For real. 45, 120, 240. Okay. Since we are in no man's land, I don't feel comfortable taking anything right now until I see price hit my entry boxes levels, right now. So, and they are right now. So, we're gonna wait to see what price does. It's like we're in a move like right here, right? And you don't want to trade right here. There is no level, nothing. There is nothing that you could do right here. It's the same with this. Getting in right here what the pullback was or whatever, and then the downtrend. Okay, we're in the downtrend. We're in this impulse leg. We don't want to be in the middle of nowhere in the leg. Like, anything can happen, right? This could be the fourth hit. 1, 2, 3, fourth hit. But it takes it out. And then, go back above, wherever. So we're gonna wait for that one. Let me put let me just do something like that though, to see if Monday's lows get taken out. All right, so we're done with that one. Let's go to Euraud. Hit that monthly time frame. 3 month actually. Let's see how this quarter. Dang, this quarter already did this little retest. Dang, okay. Let's mark that up. Will we still be reaching for other highs? Down, up. Let's see. I like how this candle literally wipes out the lows of the previous 2 months. Okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. I see buys. Okay. So we're trading within ranges. In confluence with monthly cycles, weekly cycles, session cycles. So let's draw up the weekly. Let's go to let's go to the daily time frame. Yeah, this looks more like you. I like this. Okay. Daily cycles. Let's draw the field. Let's see where that 38.2. 38.2 crossed down, hit the 50. 61.8. Let me put that on. Daily pool. Okay. This is where those blue lines is where I project price to pull back to and then rally from with the impulse. Okay. Let me do like the stochastics is low for the buys. 45-minute. I don't like the 45. I need some type of bullish confirmation. Like I need price to breathe back above this point. If price doesn't breathe back above this point, I don't care for it. Like I could see that this could be the left head. Once it breathes back above, pull back down for the right shoulder to rally off of. But I need to see some type of bullish momentum before then. Let's go to that 30-minute time frame. Okay, this the 50, 200. Okay, 200, 45. See, price still has room to. This one too. Price still has room to go down and then rally up. So we could probably find a sell that might be a little too high. And then let's change all these. Let's do the 20. Okay, 45, 120, 240. Both lines up with that. So let's do 50. Okay. Yeah. Let me flip the charts because I always want to see from a different perspective. Am I seeing the same thing? Am I still seeing those what's these? Am I still seeing those buys or am I seeing the sell? 5. I said 30 sessions. Okay. What could happen, right, is price plays around beginning of Asia. London comes in, spike these session highs, or even the point of interest box or zone, and then do a sell off until we get that clear break of structure. We're not looking for those buys. Price is guaranteed to come up in here, whether it be the sell off or the continuation up. And if this is another sell off, this will be the right shoulder. So let's just see, you know, where this goes, where this takes us. Because price might even come down here and then start rallying up for this box up here. So I'm gonna definitely watch and see what this does doing Asia and London, because this is AUD, so it can move during Asia session. Yeah, I'm messing with it. Let me show. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for these two pairs right here. Did I say I was gonna mark up something else? Nah, I ain't gonna mark this up because like it's gone already. It's completely gone. Sheesh. Let me see what that monthly look like. Give it maybe like a week or two, we could have a rejection off of this. That point of interest is really big right now, so we could have a sell off for real. Euro GBP is a consolidating pair. Like, look at this. So we have to watch that closely. But when the moves come, like, sheesh, like this is clear. That was fire, bro. It started breathing back above, broke it, retest, shot up. Probably the 38.2. Yes, 38.2. Okay. I'm kind of excited to be back on the zone. I don't know how often I'm gonna do this. I'll have to get y'all with an updated video. But this it for right now. So we had this one, then this one. All right. Just remember, it's never really right from wrong, but right from left.